Next, we're going to discuss intensity or chroma. So what do we mean when we say chroma? We're talking about whether a color is bright or soft. In Tagalog, matingkad ba or hindi matingkad? Other terms that may be related to chroma is saturated or desaturated or pigmented and not as pigmented. Kunyari, ang red lipstick ay bright kasi kitang-kita mo yung kulay niya. While a nude lipstick is soft kasi hindi masyado siyang nakikita. So, ma-relate mo siya sa makeup. Now, these 5 drapes, I will try on myself first para makita mo siya sa mukha ko. Kasi hindi rin ako naka-makeup. So, this is orange in its purest form, which means it's really saturated. If I add white to this color, it's gonna become a tint. So, notice what's gonna happen to my face. Yan. Mas naging dark yung under eyes ko. You add gray to a color, becomes muted. So, magiging ganito siya. Pangit lang ako ng papangit. Nagda-darken yung under eye ko. You add brown to a color, it becomes toasted. Yan. And then, when you make a color light, in terms of value, ganito yung itsura niya. Light is different from bright. Light is value, bright is chroma. My guess is that you are light. So, titingnan natin. Kailangan may mapili tayo dito na isa na pinaka-bagay mo. When you're purchasing clothes, you always ask yourself, am I wearing the clothing or is the clothing wearing me? What does that mean? When you are wearing the clothing, it means nakapantay mo lang yung color niya. Hindi siya mas bright sa'yo, hindi siya mas soft sa'yo. Kapag the clothing is wearing you, it means that it has the tendency to overpower your face. So, ayaw natin yon. We want something that's cohesive with our natural chroma. So, sa color analysis, importante yung chroma. Kasing importante siya ng undertone. Hindi mas importante ang warm at cool. Kasi, may mga season na nagsishare ng color. Kahit magkaiba sila ng undertone. Kasi, pareho sila ng chroma. So, they're actually equally important. Okay. So, this is bright. We lower it down a little bit. Yan. O mas umaaliwalas ka pag binabawasan natin yung pigment. But if we make it muted, remember muted is something that's mixed with gray, is it going to create shadows on your face or is it going to complement your face? Yan. See? Mas naging ashen tayo. When we say ashen, our face looks a little bit gray. We don't like that. Kasi when our face is ashen, it makes us look gray, old, and tired. So as much as possible, we want to prevent any gray areas on our face. Next is toasted. Ito, hindi din. When a color is toasted, it means na you mix it with brown. Pag tinusta mo ang isang bagay, di ba, nagba-brown siya. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, golden brown chicken. So, parang hindi mo siya bagay. Ibig sabihin, baka shades of brown also don't look good on you. Okay, so bawasan natin siya. This is light. Yan. This is your best color in my opinion. Kita mo? Ang linis ng face.
Alam ko sa ilaw lang, pero nagbabago talaga.
Nagbabago talaga siya. When the color is too saturated, it doesn't look good on you. When it's too deep or rich or muted, hindi din. When it's toasted, it's not. Kailangan light. Light colors. So, parang we're leaning towards a season na very happy yung colors mo. Parang pang K-drama yung season mo.